Stepping into a true big screen experience at home doesn't have to mean complicated wiring, ceiling mounts, or spending a fortune on an oversized TV. This bundle brings together the Nothing Projector Black Series 120-inch ALR screen and a portable Google TV projector that delivers native 1080p resolution with 4K input support. It's designed to give you scale, smart features, and flexibility in one complete package. The centerpiece of this setup is the 120-inch Black Series ALR screen. Size alone changes everything. A display this large instantly transforms an ordinary living room into something that feels closer to a private cinema. But the real upgrade is the ambient light rejecting technology. Instead of losing contrast when lights are on or sunlight hits the room, the ALR material is built to reflect the projector's light directly toward the viewing position while reducing interference from surrounding light. That translates to improved brightness perception, stronger contrast, and more satisfying black levels compared to projecting on a standard wall. With 120 inches of screen space, movies feel expansive and immersive. Action scenes look dramatic. Sports broadcasts feel like you're in the stadium. Even everyday streaming content becomes more engaging simply because of the scale. It's not just bigger, it feels more premium and intentional. The included portable projector runs on Google TV, which makes the overall experience much smoother. Instead of plugging in external streaming devices, you get a built-in smart interface that gives access to major apps like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and more. Navigation feels modern and content-focused, similar to a dedicated smart TV platform. Everything is integrated so you can power on and start streaming in minutes. Resolution is another strong point. Native 1080p remains a practical sweet spot for large-screen projection, offering sharp visuals at normal viewing distances. At the same time, 4K input support means you can stream higher resolution content without compatibility issues. Combined with the ALR screen, the perceived clarity and color performance are impressive for a bundle in this category. Portability adds even more value. This isn't a projector that has to live permanently in one spot. You can move it between rooms, reposition it for different layouts, or even take it outside for backyard movie nights. Built-in Wi-Fi keeps streaming wireless and simple, while Bluetooth allows easy pairing with external speakers or soundbars if you want a more powerful audio setup. For gaming, the experience feels larger than life. A 120-inch display makes racing games more intense and sports titles more immersive. Console gaming on a screen this size changes the way games feel, adding scale and excitement that smaller displays just can't replicate. Switching between HDMI inputs and streaming apps is quick and convenient. Design plays a role too. The Black Series screen maintains a clean and minimal look that blends into a modern home environment. It doesn't overwhelm the space. The projector itself is compact and easy to position, helping you maintain a tidy and uncluttered setup. This bundle is ideal for anyone who wants a massive viewing experience without committing to an ultra-large television purchase. Instead of spending heavily on a giant panel, you get 120 inches of immersive display, smart streaming features built in, and the flexibility to adjust your setup whenever needed. Setup is straightforward. Install or position the screen, place the projector at the recommended distance, connect to Wi-Fi, log into your streaming apps, and you're ready. The combination is designed to work together, so you're not stuck researching compatibility between different components. Overall, this package delivers scale, smart functionality, improved daytime viewing performance thanks to ALR technology, and portability in a single solution. It's a practical path to achieving a cinematic atmosphere at home without making things complicated. If you're ready to upgrade your entertainment setup, check the link in the description to explore current pricing and availability for the Nothing Projector Black Series 120-inch ALR screen and portable Google TV projector bundle.